Our mission is to help customers shape a brighter future by transforming the spaces where they live, work, and grow. Hello everyone, my name is Varya. I am the General Manager of Apricot Painting and Renovation, and here is my husband.
Hello everyone, I'm Hovig and I'm the owner of Apricot Painting and Renovation, and this is our family business.
We are providing services, interior, exterior, residential and commercial, painting, staining, spraying, as well as kitchen painting, popcorn ceiling removal, floor installation, bathroom renovation. Why we're unique? End-to-end support. We care deeply about our customers, guiding and supporting them through every step of the project from start to finish. We respect customers' living place by keeping them tidy, and we always complete the job on time. We enjoy taking the hard work off the shoulders of stressed and busy moms and dads. The last thing that we really enjoy is our care and professionalism. Build trust among our customers and inspires them to confidently recommend us to their neighbors, families, and friends. To be honest, it's a peace of mind. The first thing that I will tell, homeowners love to know that they are not missed. Their messages are not missed. Their calls are not missed. Their questions are answered. And they will have direct information to reach me as a general manager from initial quote to final cleanup. We also like to leave job site with zero stress for customer. We ask customer to come and we walk through them and make sure they are very happy. Moreover, I'm still following up next day to make sure there are no touch-ups left for us to do.